My name is Yesenia Timoteo. I am a dreamer. I moved to the U.S. when I was 3 years old, and I am the newly elected state director for the state of Utah for the LULAC national organization. I actually had the opportunity to travel to Washington, D.C. the week of June 10th with the California-Mexico Studies Center. We were going on a national campaign to restore Advance Parole for DACA recipients. It's been the first time that I was ever lobbying in D.C. I met 29 other dreamers who have stories just like mine. We actually got to meet with a dreamer who will self-deport come September because he had an opportunity to go to the best business school in Spain. And unfortunately, because Advance Parole was taken away, he's not able to apply for it, so he's decided to leave, which for me, I feel like that's a really big sacrifice that he shouldn't have to take that decision upon himself, because we should have been able to give him Advance Parole to have him study over there. We are definitely not going to stop fighting for this. I feel like we definitely need Advance Parole now. There's other people who are also in the same shoes where they're trying to decide whether they want to leave the country to go get a better education. This campaign showed me a lot about who I am as a person, and it showed me that I have a voice. No matter what people are saying, no matter what the political climate may be, I am striving to make sure that everyone else has that same opportunity as others that had the Advance Parole.